Good Tuesday morning to you. I'm Storm Alert Weather 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. It's going to be another pleasant and mild day today where we'll see some sneaks of sunshine through the high clouds that are passing through and temperatures back to the 40s. But don't expect to see the sunshine the rest of the week. Going to be cloudy and overcast with these low clouds that will give us some drizzle and some fog at times. And that's really the biggest travel concern throughout this week. Beyond that, it looks pretty easy going across not just Iowa, but the middle of the country. So here's the cloud forecast. We're partly cloudy today against some mid-high level clouds mixing in with the sun. And then just straight up overcast starting tomorrow through Thursday through Friday. And then still mostly cloudy on Saturday. Won't be until Sunday that the clouds return, that the sun returns rather. But that's going to come with some cold air there to close out the holiday weekend. Here's a look at Futurecast. Took the wide view here, and what we're expecting today, again, partly cloudy skies. Here's the low clouds, the overcast conditions that will slowly track to the north as we go through today. It'll reach eastern Iowa by tonight. In the meantime, maybe just some fog, patchy fog out there. Otherwise partly cloudy, but by tomorrow morning and sunrise, we're going to be covered by those low clouds. And you can see the drizzle showing up there. It's going to be seemingly random. It's not very organized, but can get you damp at times. And we'll be seeing that through the day on Wednesday. So cloudy, drizzly, and then I think the fog is going to intensify through Wednesday afternoon. Could be quite dense as we go through Wednesday night. So again, Rudolph really going to need to be shining bright so he can lead the way for Santa the night of Christmas Eve into Christmas morning. But cloud cover, thick fog probably out there as we go into Christmas morning. So if you're traveling early in the morning, just be aware of that. Going to be low visibility. And essentially what happens here through the next few days, the winds are just swirling around, but they're very light. So it can't push those low clouds out, and it's just sloshing around Iowa, and that's what keeps us cloudy. Maybe even another shot for some drizzle as we go through late Christmas evening through Thursday night and into Friday. Luckily for us, I do think temperatures remain largely above freezing, so we don't have to worry too much about freezing drizzle. It's going to be a little bit wet at times, but fog probably the biggest concern with the low visibility. Pretty nice today. Temperatures upper 30s in the north, low to mid 40s in the south with a light north wind and a mix of sun and clouds. We'll drop down to the mid and upper 20s for tonight. Then the cloud cover tracks in. Temperatures will start to warm. We'll have that very light wind at 5 miles per hour. So again, watch out for some patchy fog. Tomorrow, the highs will still be about the mid 30s to low 40s, a little bit cooler than what we expect today, just because of how cloudy it will be. We'll also have a southeast breeze 5 to 10 miles per hour and some of that drizzle and fog throughout the afternoon especially. We'll see some pretty dense fog Wednesday night. Still cloudy on Thursday with highs right around 40 degrees. And it does get a little bit warmer Friday and Saturday, mid 40s for high temperatures. Still pretty cloudy though. And then the northwest winds kick in Sunday and Monday. That's what helps to push the low clouds out, but it brings in some cold Arctic air. We're looking at highs in the low to mid 20s with a low of 7 degrees by Sunday night.